Hello friends, welcome back to Bhosle Mac Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to operate the Boolean operations on CATIA V5. Hello friends, in this Boolean operations there is no need of using material removing operations. Means in this we can only use material adding operations like pad or rib, etc. But here we are not using like hole, pocket or slot, etc. Now I will show how to operate these. Select part design. In this create a geometrical set and OK. Here geometrical set is created. Now let us assume we are operating two operations. Then if we are operating two operations means we must create two bodies. One body just intersect and create another body. See friends, here body 2 and body 3 is created. I have created only two bodies because I am going to operate only two operations. Now let us create a axis system. Okay, and this is origin. Okay, now here body 2, just go and right click on that and define in work object. Just click on that, and now I am going to perform a first operation on body 2 on XY plane and draw a circle. See friends, this is a circle of 200 mm. Okay, and exit tab and go for pad. See friends, here I am padding 20 mm. See here on XY plane a body 2 is created. Now go for body 3 and here also define in work object. Now this body 3 should be created on independent plane, means there should be no relationship between body 2 and body 3. In normally if you are performing pocket means just we select this plane and perform a sketch and perform a operation, but in Boolean operation that should not be like that. We define in work object on body 3 and we must select a independent plane, this XY plane, and go for sketch. Okay friends, now same I will draw one more circle on this, on that plane. This is of 100 mm. Okay, now exit tab. See friends, that another circle of body 3 is created on same XY plane, but there is no relationship between 2 and 3. Go for pad. As I told before, here only material adding operations are performed. Now just I increased and okay. See friends, here this is a separate part and this is a separate part. I will show. See friends, I hide a body 2. This shows these two bodies are independent. If I select this and hide, means see friends, only this body 3 is hiding. Let us go and operate the Boolean operations. Now go on body 3 and right click. See friends, here body 3 object is there and here are the Boolean operations. Here 6 Boolean operations are there. In that only now I am going to show these 4 Boolean operations. This add and assembly both are same only. Now I will show add a Boolean operation. Here add body 3 to body sorry, body 3 to body 2. Okay. See friends, now this body 2 and body 3 are added. See here, body 3 came under body 2. Now I will hide this. See friends, complete part is hidden. Like this we can perform a add boolean operations. Now I will undo this so that I can show you how to perform the remove operation. Okay friends, now there is no relation between these two. Same body 3 and go for body 3 object and remove. This remove body 3 from body 2. Okay. See friends, body 3 is removed from body 2. Like this you can operate the pocket command here. Means why this will use means there is no relation between these two. If we want to edit any part means we can edit independently. That is the main reason why we are using these boolean operations. And almost all industries are operate these boolean operations only. They will not use any this whole pocket commands. Now I will show one more operation, intersect. Now I will undo. See friends, now this undo means the part which shared by these two bodies, means body 2 and body 3, which part that is shared, that is the intersect command. Body 3 and intersect to body 2. Okay. See friends, this is the part which is shared by body 2 and body 3. This is how intersect boolean operation will perform. In this video, that's it friends. Like this boolean operations are performed. We must practice these boolean operations because these boolean operations are very much important in all industries. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.